How is some people? Welcome back, viewers tuning in. In this future clip, let's solve this addition problem. 46 plus 16. The ones place is on the right and the tens place is on the left. We start solving the addition equation by adding the numbers in the ones place. 6 plus 6 equals 12. In the number 12, there are 2 ones, right? 2 in the ones place. The number in the tens place is called the carry. We carry the 1 over to the tens place and write it above the 4 like this. Now we add the numbers in the tens place. 1 plus 4 equals 5. We need to add 1 more, which gives us 6. Right, 6 in the tens place. So 46 plus 16 equals 62. And this is our final answer to this problem. Hit like and subscribe if you want more adventures like this.